Good morning, students. So, in our previous class, we have discussed the different types of styles available in Microsoft Office Word. Now, today, we will discuss another new topic, that is fill format. As we have already taken a basic overview of the topic in our last meeting, so now here we will discuss completely the different types of fill format. But before that, let me define what is actually a fill. A fill is a color, pattern, texture, picture, or gradient applied to the interior of a shape. Whenever we select any shape in Microsoft Office Word, if we go ahead and apply any kind of color, pattern, texture, picture, or gradient inside that particular shape, that becomes fill. Now there are basically two types of fill option. Those are solid fill and gradient fill. In case of solid fill, there is no progression of colors and the color remains the same throughout. While in case of gradient fill option, a gradual progression of color is there from progression of color and shade is there. Usually from one color to another or from one shade to another shade of same color happens. Okay, so basically two fills are there. Solid fill, only one color will be there inside the shape and no progression will be there. While in case of gradient fill, a gradual progression of color and shade, usually from one color to another color or from one shade to another shade of same color happens. An example of the same has been pasted in the PPT slide in the form of picture itself. Okay, so this is solid fill and gradient fill. Now let us move to new topic, that is how we can create update new styles from selection. So here we can use styles block. The styles block which we have earlier studied, we can use styles block to quickly apply a set of formatting choices consistently throughout our documents. If we want formatting choices that are not available from the built-in styles and themes available in Word, we can modify an existing style and customize it to suit our need. It means that if a particular kind of style is needed which is not there available in the Microsoft Office Word processor, we can create our own and we can use a predefined style and modify it to meet our requirements. Okay, and second, we can change the formatting. Even we can change the formatting such as font size, color, and text indentation in styles applied to titles, headings, paragraphs, lists, and so on. We can also select formatted text in your document to create a new style in the styles gallery. To apply a style, simply select the text you want to format and then click the style you want in the styles gallery, modifying an existing styles. Now, these are the three steps by means of which we can update new styles from selection. How? We can use styles, and let us repeat the same content again. We can use styles to quickly apply a set of formatting choices. We can use styles to quickly apply a set of formatting choices consistently throughout our documents. If we want formatting choices that are not available from the built-in styles and themes available in Word, we can modify the existing style and customize it to suit our needs. Second, step 2, we can change the formatting also, such as font size, color, and text indentation in style applied to titles, headings, paragraph list, and so on. We can also select formatted text in our document to create a new style in the styles gallery. To apply a style, we need to simply select the text which we want and then click the style we want in the styles gallery. Now let us come to the next topic, that is modifying an existing style. Suppose we have an existing style and we want to modify it as per our need. Then there are two means by which we can modify styles in the styles gallery. First one is modifying a style by updating it to match formatting in our document. And second one is modify a style manually in the modify styles dialog box. Now let us move to the first one, that is modifying a style by updating it to match formatting in our document. If we have text in our document that is already has a style, if we have text in our document that has already has a style applied, we can change the formatting of that text. We can change the formatting of that text and apply it to the styles in the styles gallery. It involves three steps. The first one is we need to select text in our document that has the styles applied, such as heading 1. Suppose we have chosen a style, we have a text and we have chosen heading 1 as our styles. Now when we select text that has a style applied, that style is highlighted in the styles gallery. Now in the second step, we need to format the selected text with the new attributes that you want. For example, you might want to change the font size for the heading 1 style from 16 point to 14 point. In the third step, on the home tab in the styles group, right click the style that you want to change and then click update, and then click update style name to match the selection. Modify a style manually in the modify style dialog box. Now this was first option, modifying a style by updating it to match the formatting in our document. Now second one is modifying a style manually in the modify style dialog box. In this option, we can modify a style directly in the styles gallery without using the text in our document. We can modify a style directly in styles gallery without using the text in our document. The first step is on the home tab. Simply we need to right click any styles in the styles gallery and click on modify. A picture has been depicted in the page here. In the formatting section, make any formatting changes you want, such as font size, style or color, alignment, spacing or indentation. Then in the next page again, modify a style manually in the modify style dialog box continued. You will be able to see modify style picture shown. Follow the steps which has been shown in the picture. Then modify style. The third step is, first second we have done. Third step is choose whether the style changes applies to the current document or to all the future document. Okay, so like this there are three steps. That is, on the home tab, first of all right click any style in the styles gallery and click modify. Second step is, under the formatting section, make any formatting changes that you want, such as font style, size or color, alignment, line spacing or indentation as shown in the two pictures. Okay, followed by this, the third step is, now we need to choose whether the style changes applies to the current document or to all the future documents. Fine, so these are the three different options by means of which we can modify style manually in the modify style dialog box. Now our next topic is how we can create a new style based on document formatting. How we can create a new style based on document formatting. We can select formatted text in our document to create a new style that we want to add to the styles gallery. We can select formatted text in our document to create a new style that we want to add to the styles gallery. Steps involved are right click the text on which you want to base a new style. Suppose we have a text and based on that text only we need to base our new style, then we need to right click those text. In the mini toolbar that appears, we need to click on styles and then click create a style. In the third step, in the create new style from formatting dialog box, give your style a name and click OK. Your new style will now appear in the styles gallery as shown in the picture. See, you need to select the option which is depicted in the picture. So this is completely about style. Fine. If you have any doubt, please keep me posted in my channel. Inserting and using. Now let us move to next topic, that is inserting and using image in a document. Images, generally we know that images are a great way to liven up a document, and Word offers a few methods to insert them. There are built-in clip art images for just about every topic, so you may be able to find a perfect clip art image for your document. If you have a more specific image in mind, you can insert picture from a file. Here in this topic we will learn how to search for and insert clip art, how to insert an image from a file, and how to change the text wrapping settings for our image. First of all, let us come to inserting clip art and pictures. Inserting clip art involves two steps: locating the clip art, inserting clip art. Locating the clip art. The steps involved in locating the clip art includes: first, select go on the home page, select the Insert tab. Eh, In the Microsoft Office window, select Insert tab. Microsoft Office Word window, select the Insert tab. Now from the Insert tab, click the Clip Art command in the Illustrations group. The Clip Art options appears in the task pane to the right of the document. Enter keywords in the search for field that are related to the image you want to insert. Click the drop down menu in the result should be filled. Deselect any types of media you don't want to see. If you also want to search for clip art on office.com, place a check mark next to include office content. Otherwise, it will just search for clip art on your computer, then click go. Simply a picture has been depicted. On the next slide, how to locate clip art. It is how to locate clip art and inserting clip art. See, it is a three-step process. First of all, we need to go to Insert tab. From Insert tab, we need to select clip art. Then from clip art, a window will appear on the right hand side. From there, we need to select which kind of photographs or which type of clip art we want. As soon as we select it, it will be added. And the third option is from office.com. So this is how a clip art can be inserted. Inserting a clip art. Now review the results from the clip art search. Whatever the search we did in the clip art gallery, we need to review the results. As soon as we reviewed it, second step, we need to place our insertion point in the document where we want to insert the clip art. Now in the third step, click an image in the clip art pane. Click an image in the clip art pane. It will appear in the document. Fourth step, you can also click the drop down arrow. Next to image in the clip art pane to view more option. So an option of inserting clip art is demonstrated by means of picture on the very next slide, that is 22nd slide. 22nd and 23rd slide. See, you can easily observe on the 22nd and 23rd slide. First of all, a clip art for city has been searched. Now as soon as he searched for clip art for a city, it appeared. Okay, it appeared. So this is about clip art. Now let us come to next topic, that is inserting pictures from file. Now this is also an option by means of which we can insert images. We can insert different kind of pictures and images from a file. See what happens. Inserting image, modify, resize, crop and delete an image.